Greg, we're here at EMO 2021 in Milan. On the FANUC stand, it's a terrific stand you've got here. But big emphasis from your company is about training, isn't it? What are you showing people this week?
Correct. This week we have a pleasure to present our collaborative educational cell. FANUC, not only that we have the network of academies in all of the countries in Europe, but we also focus and we are excited to bring this education also to the didactic units. And with this one we are showing our latest cell equipped with the CRX 10IA.
So if I was young, I'm not saying that I'm not, but if I was coming here to this exhibition, what would I be seeing here with this CRX and what would I be doing?
So what you will have a chance to see is to see the really robust and mobile cell equipped with the latest collaborative technology. So the robot that you can work with together, you can operate by hand, together with some demo program, but available for you to modify. And it's equipped with the latest interface with the tablet, where you can, with a very easy way, very intuitive way, program the robot. You can play with it, and you can learn it very fast.
I've seen, youngsters these days, when it comes to tablets and phones, they're a whiz, aren't they? So, we're talking a matter of minutes. You could pick this up, couldn't you, and start controlling what you're doing with the robot.
Correct. That's absolutely true. So not only that you get the chance to do it in the standard way, you can use the new HMI interface and do it in literally in the matter of minutes.
What about upskilling? What about people that maybe aren't quite so young but want to change industry and come into manufacturing in general? Is this something that FANUC focus on as well?
Yes, absolutely we do. So upskilling of the new employees in the changing work environment, that's also the focus. So those cells, because it's not only one cell, it's a whole range of cells that we propose. We have actually 4 different cells focused on collaborative robots, standard robots, collaboration between the robot and robot drill, so addressed to the robot machine, and also CNC simulator. So for each channel of our products, we have a proposed educational package. And the most exciting part about it is that it's not only the equipment itself, it's what is behind. Because together with the equipment, we provide the full training materials for the trainers, so that you're getting, as an educational unit, the full year of the training material. And additional to that, on the top of that, you're also getting the offline programming equipment. So you can do it on your PC, basically a lot of offline programming. You can prepare for the classes, then you can practice on the equipment. So this offer is not only dedicated to the universities, but all kind of the didactic units.
And it's not just here what we see at Cobot, but we're talking about robo drills, robo shots, robo cuts, industrial robots. All of these things is where your training excels, isn't it, in all of those areas?
Correct. We focus right now, what we have here, of course, it's the most attractive one, in my opinion, visually. But the next one, also with the Cobot, is the collaborative cell together with robot drill. And this one is really exciting, because there we got the chance to work with the connection, the very easy connection that FANUC proposed, how to connect 2 products from our area.